The crypto market is in shambles. Dogecoin is crashing. Where will we go here? Is the bull market over? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. We're going to look at the overall market because there's a lot of panic out there, guys. And I'm going to tell you about what I think is going on with the market and where we're going to be headed here. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at Dogecoin. I'll be honest with you, on the daily time frame, this does not look good. This is very local toppy. This is not a good formation. We're in ascending consolidation, and we broke down below all of those levels. We broke down below this level, this level, this level. It's not very good, guys, and we're starting to see on Market Cipher the money flow is coming swiftly to the downside. It's still green, but the money flow is swiftly moving to the downside. We're seeing momentum getting heavy, heavy, heavy. We see a sell signal. It doesn't look that good, but there are some things we need to look at in the Dogecoin chart. There is some hopium for it. So I don't want you to absolutely go crazy and panic just yet, but we are going to go through this. So right now, Dogecoin is ranked number 7, down a massive 21% in the past 7 days, down 11% in the past 24 hours. That's quite significant when you're talking about the 7th largest cryptocurrency in the ecosystem. We are looking at a $47.47 billion market cap. Basically, $9 billion came out of the market over the past 7 days. And that's what we can see in the 24-hour volume. We're seeing at basically a $9.31 billion 24-hour volume. It's pretty significant, guys. And I do want to show you some things here because Dogecoin, when you look at this chart on the daily, it doesn't look good. It does not look good. Bitcoin is barely moving to the downside, and we have some very, very key levels that are somewhat a make or break moments or potential fake out areas that we should be talking about to give you guys some hopium. But before we get into that, guys, I want to say I recommend you check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin right now because there's potentially some massive opportunities around the corner here. And if you sign up now, you get a $5,000 sign bonus as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. Take advantage of this. No other exchange is offering this right now. And if you're trying to buy some dips, this is quite the opportunity to do that. And if you do that, you'll also get that $5,000 sign-on bonus. So the overall market right now is bloody. It's a very bloody, guys. Bitcoin trading at 97,000. We wicked lower than that. We'll take a look at Bitcoin shortly. You know, the biggest takeaway from all of this, Ethereum 3,400. We came a little bit lower than that as well. We're getting a little bit of relief here, but it's nothing special. The thing that's absolutely crazy about all this is Bitcoin dominance is just unrelenting. It's relentless. It is absorbing this liquidity. All these sells. Bitcoin sneezes, and these alts just crash. They crash. They crash. It's that's what we're at right now. Trading at 57.22% Bitcoin dominance level when you exclude stablecoins. We're at a 59.22%. It's absolutely insane. It is absolutely insane that we've gotten back to this level. But if you have been following me on Twitter at 333blacksea, you will have known that I have been saying for quite a while, for the past few weeks, it looks like Bitcoin dominance is going to come and test 59%. And if you've been following me, you would have known that this was going to be happening because it has happened. We're seeing this play out right now. Now, what does that mean? Bitcoin dominance at 59%. We're testing the bottom of the rising wedge that we've been trading in for nearly 2 years. Altcoin season is quote-unquote canceled for now. Well, first things first, we need to look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is breaking down, okay? But let me give you some hopium here, right, guys? We are still in this trend, okay? We are still in the rising trend, all right? Unless we close, in my opinion, below, say, $94,000. That'd be like my first area that I'd be a little bit worried. But really, if we, I don't want to see us close below 90,000. If we close below 90,000, in my opinion, that means that we're setting up for something different here. This isn't just a bull market shakeout. It's more so looking like a longer form of consolidation and probably more sideways and downward price action. If we close below probably about $88,000, okay, guys? We do not want to be coming below 88K. Does it mean that the cycle's over if that happens? Probably not, but it will be quite the signal, and a local top is put in for sure. Now, I was saying I've been seeing something in the charts here for Dogecoin that is a little bit more relief, some copium to look at here. So when you look at this chart, it's not good. This looks terrible. But when you look at Dogecoin, you zoom out a little bit, you look at the 4-hourly, and you look at this formation here, you can see there's a similarity here. Look at this. Something like that could be playing out right now, okay? This could be a massive shakeout, flush the leverage, and get ready to make a move to the upside. Because I'll be honest with you guys, the overall market sentiment right now is probably as bad as when FTX collapsed and everyone was panicking and trying to liquidate all their assets because they thought crypto and Bitcoin were going to zero. The sentiment feels like that right now. And, you know, it's crazy because Bitcoin has crashed from $108,000 to a whopping $95,000, okay? And right now, we're trading at $97K. We do have some time here before I think you'll start to see a lot of people on crypto Twitter start to flip and say, buy the dip, buy the dip. But there is invalidations. Like I said, 88K, that's where my eyes are on, because if we close below 88, it's not looking that good for the short term and maybe even the medium term. And then that comes into start talking about a whole bunch of things about cycle theory and where we're really at here and when the cycle top will be. But above 88K, we're okay. That's what I'm going to keep saying, guys. And if we are okay here, if we bounce from here, you should expect Bitcoin dominance to absolutely plummet, okay? And if you see Bitcoin dominance absolutely plummet here, that's when you see Dogecoin make a big, big move to the upside, okay? I know you came for the Dogecoin content, but you need to be paying attention to everything that's going on in this ecosystem. Bitcoin dominance, what's going on with all of the liquidity in the market. If you are a Dogecoin bull, you need to be paying attention to these things. Otherwise, you're going to get caught and you're going to get burnt, guys. You're going to get caught holding that bag. It's not going to be Dogecoin to $1. It's going to be Dogecoin to 10 cents, okay? You need to be paying attention to this. You do not want to lose your money. If Bitcoin dominance performs well here, if Bitcoin makes that move back to the upside, we don't break below 88,000, then I do expect altcoin dominance to increase, Bitcoin dominance to decrease. And I do think that it's very possible to see Dogecoin bounce from here. I do. I think there's a chance that the bottom is in right about here. But like I said, all eyes are on Bitcoin right now, guys. All eyes are on Bitcoin. We have seen this type of formation back here in March of 24. It wasn't that long. It was about almost a year ago, okay? We saw this type of thing, you know, a topping formation, a big correction, and then guess what? All-time highs. But we were chopping around for a significant amount of time, guys. Significant amount of time. We can do that. And I'll be honest with you guys. If we do chop around for a significant amount of time and Bitcoin stays above the key levels, probably being set up for a much longer bull market, probably thinking about Q4 2025 or the fall of 2025. But as of right now, all eyes are on $88,000 in my opinion, guys. We do not want to break below that. That's what you want to be keeping your eyeballs on, especially if you're a Dogecoin bull, especially if you're trying to buy this dip. And if we don't dip below 88K, then this dip is a massive opportunity because the altcoins have been wiped out. Okay, guys? If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Be patient, guys. I know it's not easy seeing altcoins absolutely crash when Bitcoin only corrects like 5 to 10%. And you see altcoins go down 50, 60%. I know it's not easy, but I'll tell you what, nobody said the bull market would be easy, and crypto is never easy, guys. After you've been in here for a few cycles, that's when you start to make some big money. I always say you have to lose 6 figures to make 7 figures here, and I really do believe that. But if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out that awesome Blowfin link down below. Take advantage of that, especially if you're trying to buy this dip. And follow me on Twitter and Instagram at 333BlackC. I will see you in the next one, guys.